obviously, as a mixed Maori person online, I think I draw a lot of attention from other mixed Maori, and there are a lot of us out there today, regarding the confusion around blood quantum. You know, it's one of those things that we just hear over and over again. I'm only quarter, I'm not Maori enough, etc. In your opinion, if someone is only part Maori, are they still entitled to moko?
I think if you do one of those DNA test thingies, that's sort of the only way to figure out if you're full Maori. Because we've all got some sort of European or something else in us, bro. But once again, moko comes, or being Maori comes back to also te ao i tipu nei koe. You know, the world that you've been born into, and the world you live in, and being Maori is more than just blood, bro. You know, it's our way of living, and our the way we do things and our customs. That's all Maori too. So you know, if that's what makes you Maori, then and you want to wear moko, then kei a koe.